Good morning, students. Today I will start a new topic, that is imperfection in solids. Okay, let's see the imperfection in solid. What is that? An ionic crystal which has the same unit cell containing the same lattice point throughout the whole of the crystal is called ideal crystal. Means is that it having a same unit cell containing the lattice points also, means lattice electrons also, and which is made up of crystal. This full thing is called as ideal crystal. And it's going out, it exists at an absolute temperature, that is 0 Kelvin. Okay, after this, what is the mean of defect? Defect means, defect we can say as disorder. Any deviation from completely ordered arrangement in a crystal constitute a disorder or a defect. Fine, these things you can write it in your copy. The crystals have additional defect due to presence of some impurities. Now sometimes what will happen, some additional effects will present. These additional defect is called as disorder or imperfection. Fine. So these things also you have to write down in your copy. Fine. Now there are commonly two types of imperfections. One is electronic, second is atomic imperfection. Okay. Electronic and atomic imperfection. Atomic is also called as point defect or imperfection. Okay, so first we study about electronic imperfection. In this electronic imperfection, holes are present. Okay, and this defect is formed due to the electrons. It means electrons can leave the place also, electron will not be there, hole will be there, like this. The perfect ionic or covalent crystal at 0 degree Kelvin have electrons present in the field occupied lowest energy state. Means it was in a lowest energy at a high temperature. Fine. Next is, you can write down, these electrons become free to move and therefore they are responsible for electrical conductivity. The bonds from which electrons have been removed become electron deficient and these are called referred as holes. What will happen, like this thing we have taken, these are the voids and one void is remain out. It means hole are present. If I have put it here KCl, K here, Cl here, then Cl here, K here. This K is remain and out in this one side it is remain as hole. So this is known as electronic imperfection. Free electrons and holes in crystals are considered to be a electronic imperfection, which I said before, means free electrons. So this whole one you have to write down in your copy and some more detail you can write down. Now I am going to give a lecture from the book. You can see the properly. After this, free electrons and holes, totally it is called as electronic imperfection. In this one, it is represented by the symbol as E and H and the concentration by N and P. These are the symbols in which they are said as N and P and symbol is E and H. Fine. This you know very well. This is of electronic imperfection. Fine. Now next is atomic imperfection or point defect. In this one, what will happen? The defect which arise due to irregularity in the arrangement of atom, means irregularities in the arrangement of atom. Some irregularity, some vacancy is left. So you can see it very well. These things you have to write down in your copies. In this one, the two defects are possible. One defect is stoichiometric crystals and second is non-stoichiometric crystal. So in a stoichiometric crystals, two things are present. One is a Schottky defect and second is a Frankel defect, and these two things are very important. One question is coming in board. Very important. Mainly Schottky is coming. Okay. Schottky defect is what? It is discovered by German scientist Schottky in 1930. It arises if some of the atoms or ions are missing from their normal lattice site. Now you can see this diagram. A, B, A, B, A. B, A means opposites are there. What will happen? Any A or any B will remain go outside. Means this A is not got a proper place. This is known as the Scotty. This is known as a Scotty defect. Fine. Today you will make this diagram also. And one again you can see from the book. These things is written. You have to make a notes from here only from the books. Okay, this diagram you have to make. And Frankel defect I will tell you tomorrow. Till today this much is okay. Write the notes in copy and have a nice day. Thank you, students.